It is great to be here. Sorry you were downwind of that, Donnie.
Oh, yes.
Excuse me. It's free.
Here!
I love you, stop it.
So, only worse.
Oh, pressure.
Bye-bye.
Oh, Lord, grant me the patience. Let's just fucking eat.
Shit, was that good?
Your curry is unreal, Carter. Fulfill my dream of purchasing zit cream. Why did I have to eat a whole box of frosted keister wheats? Drinking my buttermilk. I can count on growing up with a serious lactose intolerance. And even though I won't...
Oh, he's right.
Blech! Those guys were disgusting.
It sort of feels like...
Oh, excuse me.
Mama has a warm, happy feeling inside. Yellow! A little soda for the river.
The trick is to clench your stomach muscles to crush the food and push out the...
So beautiful.
Ah, Surly Bug. Oh, please don't be angry. I cheated on my diet.
My crop! My...
잘 먹었다.
Excuse me. Does anyone else's tummy feel weird?
What are you talking about? Hops and I were just eating lunch.
Let's go!
Sweet, a 6-footer.
Sorry, Lynn. It's a me and Clyde thing.
Thanks, bro. Oh, come on. It's not so bad. Yeah, for you, the girl who eats trash hoagies. You know, sometimes you just gotta step out of your comfort zone. Cup a squat. Tea's getting cold. And now, the entertainment.
It was interesting. Sorry.
She ate our dessert, too. An entire cheesecake.
Was that wrong? Ooh, excuse me.
Lost. You're starting to stink up the place.
Ugh, dreadful habit.
Mandy!
Hanging out in the alley. Figures. Excuse me. Must have been something I ate.
Excuse me? Look at me, so dainty and bird-like. So cage-ish, yet so gilded. Yes, at times I feel... No, wait, it's something new I'm trying for the character.
Randy?
Mina, are you drinking from the carton again?
No way, Dad. That would be gross. Really gross.
Can I get another one of those cheese cups?
7 cup holders!
And gross, too.
Good on you.
No rules rule. This is already underway. Eureka!
You want to be project partners?
Yeah, no.
Ashlyn? Hunter?
Not get eaten! That's oddly specific! We still.
People are gonna miss me when I'm.
You bottle up forever. You can't just blurt everything out.
Hey, dudes.
Yeah, that's okay. I may not have a boyfriend, but at least I have a few friends.
That was my celebration burp.
Oh, okay. Here's mine. I feel alive!
Are you seeing anyone?
Sniff on this.
Man, that's foul.
So? But I'm better now. Well, almost.
Bro.
This isn't news, it's a commercial.
Well, I ate breakfast like you asked, and I can prove it.
Man, I haven't eaten like this since.
That's morning!
Oops, my bad.
Please.
Oh, pardon me.
Oh, love, your burps are like the sweetest. Oh, wow. That one got in my eyes a little.
I need to lie down.
Now say, ah. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Excuse me. Uh-oh.
Sabrina, your skanky garlic breath is saving the day. Again, do it again. And aim towards Kinski. Bitchling, you're ruining everything.
Crazy baby.
Let's get...
Later, gotta snag a shower. Excuse me.
You can stop now.
Sorry, got carried away.
Six. Mini fridge, big burps. Enjoy the irony.
Oh, nasty!
Have fun cleaning up.
Girl's gonna feel that.
My, who knew liquid brand could be so tasty? Even on the return trip. Sorry.
That'll make sense in a minute.
No.
Smell what you missed, sucker!
can't figure her out. Is she into me or not? I wish she'd just give me a sign.
Excuse me.
And
Looks like Vito's only interested in classy girls.
Yeah, go on, I'm listening.
I need a fumigation squad just.
Oh, yeah.
Kitty! That was a magician!
Is he boring?
That being said, I would really like to belch right now.